Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It always seems impossible until it's done. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. I stand here before you not as a prophet, but as a humble servant of you the people. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. It is in your hands to create a better world for all who live in it. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. I dream of an Africa which is in peace with itself. Real leaders must be ready to sacrifice all for the freedom of their people. Money won't create success, the freedom to make it will. I detest racialism because I regard it as a barbaric thing, whether it comes from a black man or a white man. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. There can be no greater gift than that of giving one's time and energy to help others without expecting anything in return. Freedom cannot be achieved unless the women have been emancipated from all forms of oppression. Let there be work, bread, water, and salt for all. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. Education is the great engine of personal development. It is through education that the daughter of a peasant can become a doctor, that a son of a mine worker can become the head of the mine, that a child of farm workers can become the president of a great nation. Do not look the other way, do not hesitate. Recognize that the world is hungry for action, not words. Act with courage and vision. There is no passion to be found playing small, in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living.